In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. For that, you just have to first launch your Bitget wallet. Here, you just have to back it up if you haven't already, or log in if you haven't already. After that, on the home page, tap on the More tab and then select Send. Now it will show you a bunch of different tokens that you can send, so you just have to simply select the token you want to send. Let's say you want to send BNB, so you need to tap on BNB. Then, it will ask you to provide the receiving address. To get the receiving address, you need to launch your Bitget exchange. Here, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Add Funds option, and here, select Deposit Crypto. Now in the search bar, you need to search for BNB because in Bitget Wallet, we have selected BNB. So you need to tap on it, and then you will be able to see the Choose Network option. You need to select the BEP20 network, which is the official network for BNB. After selecting it, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy that from here, then come back to your Bitget wallet. Paste the address in the To section, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, and then it will show you the gas fees that you need to bear. You need to make sure that you have enough BNB in your Bitget wallet in order to cover the gas fees. After that, tap on the Confirm button, and then wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once it is completed, you will receive your crypto from Bitget wallet to the Bitget exchange. And that's it. Subscribe, it's free.